I bought mid-section exhaust from AliExpress, and actually I'm wondering how it will sound. What do you think about it? I never tried AliExpress exhaust before. It's cost me around 300 including shipping, and also no, I paid 85 pounds custom due to charge some passports.
To be honest, I could have had the same exhaust done probably for about 200 quid, but he wants to get it done by AliExpress.
Not 200. You add AMG res on it and aftermarket res one more.
Yeah.
You spend maybe 500. Really? 400. Okay.
That's from downpipe
Yeah.
all the way to the back.
All the way to the back. But the code weld was like a puzzle.
Yeah,
Just one part. Actually, your exhaust, just one pipe. The G30 has one pipe from the downpipe to the back box, but the 8 series has two pipes and two res on it.
So this is how the exhaust sounds right now with cold start. He does want a back box as well. He wants twin tips on the back, but for now we're just doing the midsection. Yeah, give it a start. Is that speakers or exhaust?
Speakers inside.
Give it a good rev.
And now valve over.
Yeah, now the valves are open, so it's dual valved.
With back box, and there is factory valve on it, and two resonator from the factory exhaust, and two aftermarket one from the AliExpress one. What do you think?
I think the first thing we need to do, remove the valve clip.
No.
Yes.
Why?
Doesn't affect nothing. Remove the valve clip. Put a metal flange around it so it doesn't move the valve. The valve still thinks it's working, but it's always open.
I don't want to always open because my
I'm not fitting it then.
yeah. Slide a bit. Little bit. Yeah.
We've got the midsection all installed. It's all solid now. There's no rattling. It's not touching nowhere. It's not hitting nowhere. Now we're going to do our first start. See how it sounds. Should sound good.
I hope you.
Oh yeah.
Nothing changed.
There's no difference at all.
No. Oh,
450 pounds.
yeah.
I bought second resonate and you fucking took resonance out.
I think it's OPF. Need to delay it.
100%. And we have some in stock. If you need any, follow us.
Yeah, we have two stock, but issue need to be unlocked.
It's unlocked.
Hmm?
I think it's unlocked.
No. Yeah, finished.
Sounds good.
Mission didn't complete.
Shall we do one thing? Let's see a difference when you do change the downpipe.
Yeah.
The back box. This one's only 250 brake.
No, 500. He changed back box, downpipe, mid pipe, all pipes. Nobody hear you.
We need to do this to yours now.
Sounds like German tank from Second World War. Engine is cold.
I know a good mechanic.
Where is yours?
See you on the next one.
Show me yours. I think it's Scorpion, yeah?
Miltech.
Miltech.
Scorpion downpipe. Miltech from Catback.
That's the sound.
Loud. Too loud.
Yeah. I need to put downpipe.
Definitely. There.
Yeah.
That's
No,
good.
it's good. Sounds like my car.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Anthony.
No worries.
See you next time.
Next time.
I have to put cutlass downpipe on it, but I couldn't because. See you, mate. Because ECU locked. If your BMW's production date after July or June 2020, your ECU locked, and just one or two company around the world can unlock it. It's the Femto, maybe Femto solution. You have to remove ECU from the car and send to the Finland, and they unlock and send you back. It's around maybe 7 days, maybe 10 days longer, and you cannot drive your car, and you should wait postage. If lost, everything gone. You have to buy new ECU. So nowadays we are in January 2026, and all courier companies working hard. So I'm waiting, maybe next month I remove the ECU and I'll send to the Femto for unlocked operation. After that I put cutlass downpipe and make stage 2 plus, getting around 500 horsepower, and I'm sure will be similar sound with the G30. So I spent 400 and got nothing. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye.